Hi everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Box's YouTube channel, where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the Iiyama G Master Red Eagle GB3466WQSU-B1 curved monitor. The monitor was so easy to assemble. With just a couple of screws, it was mounted and ready to go. The design is really beautiful. It's kept minimalist and simple to allow it to fit in any space, whether it's your gaming room or home office. And the matte black solid frame and thin bezel feels of a really high quality. This 34-inch curved monitor is inspired by the curve of the human eye, and the 1500 radius curvature of this screen is designed to create comfortable viewing and captivating gameplay. The curved screen also has the effect of making the screen feel even bigger. When you combine this with the ultra-wide Quad HD screen, which has an aspect ratio of 21:9, this monitor is really excellent for creating crisp visuals as well as a fully immersive gaming experience. The stand allows you to adjust the height and tilt to find an angle that's more comfortable for you, although it isn't able to swivel, so that's something to bear in mind. However, as a curved monitor, it is designed for you to be sat directly in front of it anyway, so this wasn't too much of an issue. If you decide you don't want to use the stand, it's also Visa mount compatible, so can be wall mounted as well. In terms of connectivity, the Iiyama monitor has 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, 2 USB ports and a headphone jack, so it's compatible with a variety of hardware. It also has just one button that's in the form of a joystick, which allows you to power on as well as navigate through settings. This one button really complements its minimalist design. And finally, it has 2 3-watt built-in speakers. Whilst most will use third-party speakers, this is a great addition to the monitor. This monitor has an impressive refresh rate of 144Hz and a 1 millisecond response time to ensure fluid and accurate transition between images, superb image quality, and a realistic viewing experience. This also lets you perform at your very best by supporting you in split decisions, giving you a competitive edge. This HDR400 monitor supports content with beautiful colour and luminance, making it excellent for content creation or media streaming. And it has FreeSync Premium Pro technology to reduce stuttering or tearing at virtually any frame rate. The VA panel allows for excellent contrast ratio, so you can see a variety of tones and contrasts in darks and lights. On top of this, you can adjust the brightness and dark shades with the black tuner so that details are always clearly visible, allowing you to spot any enemies lurking in the shadows. This monitor has a variety of predefined gaming modes, including FPS and strategy, so you can easily have the optimum settings for your needs. Or, if these don't suit you, you can even set your own custom settings, allowing you to have the perfect settings at just the touch of a button. It also has a blue light reducer to help lessen strain on your eyes, so you can feel comfortable even during long gaming sessions without having to worry about the harmful effects of blue light. Overall, this Iiyama curved monitor is designed with gamers and creatives in mind. Its refresh rate, response time and HDR allow for crisp and vibrant visuals as well as fluid and immersive gameplay. What do you guys think of this monitor? Make sure to let us know below, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment and we'll be happy to get back to you. We've also included the link to buy below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.